this is Ashwin again. In the last video tutorial, we saw how to define and use the methods for a class. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to see the difference between class methods as well as functions. So as we already know, the method is a piece of code or a block of code which is part of any class. So let's extend that definition a bit. We can also say that a method is always associated with a class or an object instance. So let's say we want to define a reusable piece of code outside a class. So that particular piece of code will be known as a function. So let's see, def white space, and let's find a suitable name. Let's say fun1 and a comma b and return a plus b. So this is a function. So now if you can see, you can clearly see the difference between a function and a method, a class method, in terms of a declaration as well as definition. So here there is no there is no variable which is named as self, because the function is usually not a part of a it is never part of a class. So the code which has similar functionality to a function for a class is known as method, which is this one. So assign is a method in this case, and fun1 is a function. Also we need to see the difference while calling the method and function. So if I want to say fun1 2, 3, and as this thing is returning something, we can just like go ahead and print this thing like this. So in this case, we are not actually associating the function call with any object, because this function is not associated with any class or object. So these are the major differences between the function and a method in Python. So let me repeat again. A function is a repeatable piece of code which is not associated with any class or object. It is independent by itself, and the similar piece of code, or the piece of code which offers similar functionality, okay, in the functionality in the similar sense within a class, okay, or which is associated with a class or instance of a class which is nothing but an object, is known as a method. So these are the main differences. This is the main differences between the function and method. So while defining a method, we just need to have a self reference parameter, okay, in the heading of that particular method. So while defining a function, we do not need to have any such kind of self reference parameter. And while calling the function, we do not need to call it by referring it by any instance or an object. Whereas while calling a method, we need to always call it by using a reference variable or an instance of a class that is nothing but an object. So these are the three main differences between the functions and methods in Python 3. So we have seen the major differences between a function and a method in Python 3. So let us execute this code and see what the output is. So before executing the code, let's see what the output could be. Let's guess. So the first line should be 2, 3, 5. The second line should be the addition of 2 and 3, which is 5. And the third line should be 6, 2, 4. So let's see whether the output is correct as per our prediction. So this is the output. As we have guessed correctly, the first line of the output is 2, 3, and 5, which are the values of x, y, and z coordinates of point P1. 5 is nothing but the second line of the output 5, which is nothing but the addition of 2 and 3. It is the output of the function call that we made in the code. So let's open the code for a minute to compare the output with the piece of code that we have written. Okay, so this is the second line of code which prints something, and the third line of code which is printing something is like p2 dot p1 dot print point. Okay, so it is printing the value of the point p1. So in the next video tutorial we are going to see how to initialize the values of the variables of any class at the time when we create an object of that class. We are going to, in short, we are going to see a special function known as init. Thanks a lot.